In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass. If you're back and you're ready to tackle another DIY project. So in today's project, I am doing a project that I've been wanting to do for a while. I actually have been putting it off, and I finally decided to go ahead and do it. So I am going to be making a personalized fitted sheet for my daughter's toddler bed, which initially was a crib, but it converted over to a toddler bed. So I wanted to do this for her crib, but I waited too late. So here we are with this toddler fitted sheet that I'm going to be doing today, that I'm going to be personalizing, that I think I initially seen on Etsy, and I said I could go ahead and make it myself. So if you want to see how this super cute and sleek modern fitted sheet turns out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. And this project is super easy. I'm using my Cricut and using Cricut Design Space to add the font and choose the sizing that I want to use. I want to get like a thick, chunky font, and I also want to make it as large as the cutting mat will allow me to cut. And so here I am just playing with the sizing and the fonts. And then after I get the font and the size the way that I want it, then I just press the make it button. And so I used iron on vinyl for this, and there's several different options for iron on vinyl within the options to choose from. So you got to make sure that you pick the right one, because depending on which type of vinyl that you use, you'll have to mirror on the image. So the first go round I made a mistake and I didn't choose the right selection for the material, and I didn't iron, or I didn't mirror the image, so I had to redo everything over again. So that's a really good tip, just to make sure that you mirror on the image. And then after I get the vinyl weeded out, then I'm just adhering the text to the fitted sheet. And here I am just using my ironing board and iron. I do have on my list to eventually get a heat press, but right now this does the trick. And so I'm just heating it up based on the instructions for the vinyl, just heating the sheet up and then adhering the text. And I put this tape underneath the where I was going to put the name, because I thought that that would help with lining it up and, you know, positioning and everything. But then I realized that I was heating up the tape. So that was a whole nother situation where I had to try to figure out and try to get this tape off of this fitted sheet. So you may not want to use tape on this, or if you do, just use it initially and then hurry up and take it off before you start heating anything up. watching. If you want to see what I'm going to craft next, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell.